Mastering English. Unleashing the power of possessive pronouns and relative clauses. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into an important, but often overlooked, topic in the English grammar. Replacing possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns and relative clauses. So, buckle up, and let's bring your English to the next level. Let's kick things off with the fundamentals. You're probably familiar with possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. These are used to indicate ownership or association, typically in front of a noun. For example, this is my book. On the other hand, possessive pronouns such as mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs serve a similar purpose. The key difference is that possessive pronouns can stand alone and do not need to be followed by a noun. For instance, this book is mine. Now that we're clear on possessive adjectives and pronouns, let's move to relative clauses. These are clauses starting with a relative pronoun like who, which, that, whose, etc. They give additional information about a noun, such as, the man, who is wearing a blue shirt, is my father. So, what happens when we bring all these elements together? Well, it's simple, yet powerful. By replacing possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns and relative clauses, we can make our sentences more concise and our speech more fluid. Here's an example. Let's take the sentence, I know a man and his car is red. We can use a relative clause to connect these ideas. I know a man whose car is red. But what if we want to replace the possessive adjective, his, with a possessive pronoun? Then we get, I know a man. The car is his. And there you have it, learners. A new tool in your English toolbox. Replacing possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns and relative clauses. It may seem a little tricky at first, but don't worry. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Remember, mastering a language is all about taking it one step at a time, and you've just taken a big step today. Until our next English adventure, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving.